Now we have 3 raised to m equals 1 and 3 raised to n equals 9. So we have to find 3 raised to m plus n. Now, first of all, let's solve for m from here. Now, we can write this one as 3 to the power m equals to 1, which is the same as 3 to the power 0. So this side is 1. So comparing both sides, m is same as 0. And 3 to the power n, so 9 is the same as 3 to the power 2. Therefore, having equal bases, my n will be 2. So knowing m and n, we can write the final answer as 3 to the power m plus n. M is what? 0 plus n is 2. So we have 3 squared, which is 9.